Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. See the example number 4. Example number 4 is here. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Equation number 1. m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Equation number 2. Now see the variable. Here coefficient of m is 5, here is 1. Here coefficient of n is 3, here is 6. Coefficients are not equal, but we want equal. If they are not equal, we have to make them equal. We have to equate. Now which variable can we equate? We can equate m and n also. And here signs are same. That's why any variable we can select. Now I select m for elimination. What to do now for here? Here just exchange their coefficients. Equation 1 multiplied by coefficient of m of second means 1. Equation 1 multiplied by coefficient of m of second 1. And equation 2 multiplied by here. Equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of m of first 5. Now let's multiply. Equation 1 multiplied by 1 means no change in the equation. We have to copy that. 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Right as it is because we multiplied by 1. Equation 2 will change. Equation 2 multiplied by 5. We have to multiply by 5 to these three values here and here by 5. 5 ones are 5m minus 5 6 are 30n is equal to minus 7 5s are 35. Now see, coefficients of m are equal now. We have equated. Now see the sign. We want opposite sign, but here signs are same. If signs are same, you want opposite, then subtract. Subtracting. And when we subtract, we have to change the signs of second equation. Here original plus, it will change. Minus. Original minus, it will change. It will become plus. Original minus, new sign plus. Now 5m minus 5m, it will cancel and its value 0. We got value 0 of that. Now here you see minus plus means different sign. If there are different signs, subtract them and give higher value sign. 30n minus 3n, 27n, higher value sign plus is equal to, here both signs are same sign, addition, add them, 40, 54. 27n is equal to 54. Now transfer order. n is equal to 54 upon 27 and therefore we get the value of n here 2s are 27 2s are 54. We got the value of n. Now let's find the value of m. For that, put this value in equation 1 or 2. In any equation we can. Put n is equal to 2 in equation 2. I select 2 for that. Here I put m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. m minus 6n, here n value 2 we have to place here, multiplied by 2 is equal to minus 7. m minus 12 is equal to minus 7. m is equal to minus 7 plus 12. m is equal to, now different sign, subtraction. We have to subtract them. How much? 5. Higher value sign plus. M value we got 5. Therefore solution is 5 2. In bracket 5 2 we have first m value and then n. This is the solution of this example. Example number 5. In example number 5, variables are given x and y. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, equation 1. X plus 5y is equal to 4, equation number 2. Now, as I told that first of all you find out the coefficients. First we want coefficient same and then we want signs opposite. Here coefficients are not same of any variable, not of x nor y. Therefore we have to equate them, and for that we select x variable for equating them. Now here equation 1 multiplied by 1 here, and equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of x of first equation means 5. Equation 1 multiplied by 1 coefficient of x of second equation, equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of x of first equation. Equation 1 into 1, when we multiply by 1 we don't do any change. Write this equation as it is. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Equation 2 will change. We have to multiply by 5 to these three values. 5 ones are 5x plus here 5 5s are 25y is equal to 5 4s are 20. Now we got coefficients same. One problem is solved. What about their signs? We want opposite signs, but here signs are same. And if we want opposite sign, then you subtract. Subtracting. And when we subtract, automatically signs of second equation will change. Original sign plus, new sign minus, plus minus, here plus minus. These are new signs because of subtraction. If we add, we don't do any change. Now 5x minus 5x will get cancelled because its value is 0. 2y minus 25y. Here are different signs. If there are different signs, we have to subtract them and give higher value sign. Subtract. Subtraction will be 23 y and higher value sign minus is equal to minus 3 minus 20, same sign, addition, higher value sign. Add them and higher value sign minus also 23. At both the sides there are negative signs. You remove them, you take out these signs, no need to write them as positive. 23y is equal to 23 because it is divided by minus 1. And now transfer order, y is equal to 23 upon 23. We got the value of y here 1. First variable we got. Now put that value in equation 1 or 2, we get the value of x. Put y is equal to 1 in equation, which equation is the second. X plus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 5 multiplied by value of y is 1 is equal to 4. X plus 5 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 5. X is equal to minus 1. And therefore here solution is minus 1, 1. This is the solution of this example. Let's see the example number 6. In example number 6, coefficients of x and here y are fraction. Now what to do if such example is there? 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. We don't want these numbers in the denominator. If we don't want, then multiply by LCM to all three terms. LCM of these denominators. Here 3, here is 1 and here 3. LCM of these numbers is 3, and that's why here multiply by LCM. Multiply by LCM 3 to these three terms. Then we get equation. If we multiply by 3 here, 3 will get cancelled. X is left plus if you multiply by 3 here, it is 3y is equal to, if you multiply by 3 here, 3 cancel, 10, and give here number 1. We got simple equation. Same for this one. And 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Now here in the denominator, numbers are 4, 4, 1. We don't want these numbers in the denominator. Again multiply by LCM, and here LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. Therefore multiply by LCM 4. If you multiply by 4 here, 4 2s are 8x, plus if you multiply by 4, 4 cancel, only y is there, is equal to, if you multiply by 4, 4 again gets cancelled, 11 is left, and this is equation number 2. Now we got two simple equations. Now we can solve this. Now see the coefficients. Here coefficient of x is 0, here 1, here 8, here 3, here 1. Coefficients are not same. Then equate them. I equate x. If you want to equate y, then you can do that. Equation 1 multiplied by second's coefficient, and equation 2 multiplied by first coefficient of x. Now equation 1 multiplied by coefficient of x of second means 8, and equation 2 multiplied by coefficient of x of first 1. Equation 1 is this, multiply by 8, here, here and here, 8 ones are 8x, here we are multiplying, 8 threes are 24y is equal to 10 8s are 80. We multiplied by 8. Equation 2 multiplied by 1. When we multiply by 1, no need to do any change, as it is 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now see dear friends, here we got coefficients equal, but what about sign? Signs are also same, and we want opposite signs. And to get opposite sign, we have to subtract. Subtracting. And when we subtract, automatically their signs will change. Whatever original sign is there, we have to change them. Now here, 8x minus 8x, value 0, cancel. That we call elimination. 24y minus 1y, 23y. Is equal to 80 minus 11, 69. Now easy. 23 y is equal to 69 upon 23. Y is equal to 23 threes are 69. We got the value of y. One variable we got. Now to find second value, put that value in equation 1 or 2. In any you can put. Put y is equal to 3 in equation 1 or 2. 1 we will put. X plus 3y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. X plus 3 multiplied by value of y is 3 is equal to 10 here. X plus 3 threes are 9 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 9. X is equal to 1. Value of y is there 3, and this is value of x 1. Therefore solution is 1, 3. This is the solution of this example. Now dear friends, see example number 7. If you observe both the equations, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, equation number 1. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501, equation number 2. Observe both the equations. Coefficient of x is 99, coefficient of y is 99. Coefficient of y is 101, coefficient of x is 101. Cross coefficients are equal. And if cross coefficients are equal, then that example is of particular type of example. In part 1 I explained such example. If that is of particular type, we have to add both the equations once, and second time we have to subtract them. Now here I add first. Once addition, second time subtraction. If we add 99 plus 101, 200x plus again 101 plus 99, 200y is equal to 499 plus 501, 1000. 200, 1000. Now convert this equation into simple, dividing by 200 to all three terms. If we divide by 200 to all these three terms, ones are here, only x, 200 divided by 200, 1, y, and 1000 divided by 200, 5. Now here equation number 3. After adding, we get simple equation and give it number 3. Addition is over. Now subtract 1, 2. Now subtract them. Now write again both equations. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Now subtraction. Subtracting. And you know, when we subtract, signs of second equation we have to change. Here signs will change. All three signs, original sign. 99 minus 101, higher value sign is minus. 101 minus 99, 2x. Here plus 2y is equal to higher value sign minus. This is higher value 501 and subtraction is 2. Minus 2x plus 2y minus 2. That is, now divide by 2 to all three terms. Divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, and divide by 2 here. If we divide by 2, we get minus x. If we divide by 2, we get only y is equal to, if we divide by 2, minus 1, and give here number 4. Equation number 3 and 4, these are simple equations. Now solve again simple equations, and then we get the value of x and y. I write equation number 3 and 4 again. X plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 3. Equation number 4 here, minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 4. And now you observe both the coefficients and signs. Coefficients are 1, 1, no problem, but signs here, plus x, minus x, these terms will get cancelled, value 0. 1y plus 1y, 2y is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. Y is equal to 4 upon 2 y is equal to 2. We got the value of one variable, that is y. To find the value of x, put this value either in 3 or 4. Now don't put in 1 and 2. These equations are very complicated. Now these are easy, simple. Put in 3 or 4. Put y is equal to 2 in equation 3, or in 4 you can put. Now again I write x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 3. Put this value here. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay? X is equal to 5 minus 2. X is equal to 3. And therefore solution here is 3, y value 2. This is the solution of this equation.